They say many hands make light work, but do you know what else makes light work? This thing. This lift system mechanism thing on the egg carton chicken tractors has all kinds of, I just swiped a mosquito. This lift system has all kinds of leverage, and it even has this pressurized gas cylinder to help you with the heavy lifting. I use one hand when I move my chicken tractor, and it's pretty light work. Sometimes I even just use a half a hand, like that, and it's really light work. How many hands does it take to make moving your chicken tractor light work? Let me know in the comments below.